The power of the mind. My name is Joshua, and I am here today to talk to you about the power of your mind. Did you know that your mind is more powerful than you imagine? It is capable of creating realities, overcoming obstacles, and achieving any goal you set your mind to. But how do you use this power to your advantage? Here are 5 tips for harnessing the power of your mind. 1. Have a clear vision of your wealth and prosperity. What do you want to achieve? How much money do you want to make? What are your life goals? The clearer your vision, the easier it will be for you to focus on it and attract it into your life. For example, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, imagine yourself achieving your goals. Imagine yourself speaking to a full audience of people, sharing your success story. Imagine yourself helping others achieve their goals. The more details you can add to your vision, the better. Imagine yourself wearing what you will wear, saying what you will say, feeling as if you are living your vision. 2. Believe that you can be rich and prosperous. If you don't believe that you can achieve your goals, it is very likely that you won't. Belief is one of the most important ingredients for success. Here's an exercise you can do to increase your belief in yourself. Think of a time when you overcame a challenge or achieved a goal. Remember how you felt in that moment. Record your thoughts and feelings in a journal or on a piece of paper. Reread your notes whenever you feel unmotivated or insecure. 3. Focus on your goals, not on your problems. If you stay focused on your problems, you will only attract more problems into your life. Focus on what you want, not on what you don't want. Here is a technique you can use to focus on your goals. Every morning, take a few minutes to focus on your goals. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. Feel happy and fulfilled. Repeat this exercise every day to keep your goals in mind. 4. Take action to achieve your goals. Positive thoughts are important, but they are not enough. You need to take action for things to happen. Here is a list of things you can do to take action to achieve your goals. Make a plan of action. Set realistic goals. Seek help from others. Don't give up. 5. Be patient and persistent. Success does not happen overnight. It takes time and effort to achieve your goals. Here is an analogy that can help you understand the importance of patience and perseverance. Imagine that you are building a house. You cannot expect the house to be ready in one day. It takes time to lay the foundation, raise the walls, put the roof on, and finish the decoration. The same goes for achieving your goals. Don't expect everything to happen all at once. It takes time and effort to achieve success. I hope these tips have helped you understand the power of your mind and how you can use it to achieve your goals. Now, it is time to take action. Take a piece of paper and write down your goals. Make a plan of action to achieve your goals. Start taking action today. The world is waiting for you. Here are some additional examples of how you can use the power of your mind to achieve your goals. If you want to improve your health, imagine yourself feeling healthy and full of energy. If you want to have a happy relationship, imagine yourself feeling loved and supported. If you want to travel the world, imagine yourself exploring new places and cultures. The possibilities are endless. The power of your mind is in your hands.